Here's a wild stat for you. Catalytic converter thefts were up over 325% in some U.S. cities last year. That's because what's hiding under your car isn't just car parts, it's a tiny gold mine for thieves with a saw. You might think, who's going around stealing metal tubes? But those tubes have platinum, palladium, and rhodium, metals worth literally more per ounce than gold. In about 90 seconds, a thief can swipe yours and vanish into the night. The aftermath is a complete hassle. Say goodbye to driving your car until you cough up $1,000 to sometimes $3,000 in repairs. That's not even factoring in rental cars or burning vacation days figuring out how to get around. Police will probably just shrug and jot down your VIN if you're lucky. Insurance might cover it, but your rates will often spike up anyway. To a thief, your car is just a scratching post for their get-rich-quick scheme. That's where catalytic converter anti-theft shields make a difference. We're talking about literal armor plating for your exhaust pipe, designed so a thief sees it and thinks, not tonight, before slinking away. The best ones use thick aircraft-grade aluminum or sometimes steel. If you're thinking about the install process, it's not too intimidating. Most kits have bolt-on designs, and you'll just need a jack, maybe a socket set, and ideally a friend to spot you. But if you can't do basic IKEA furniture, a mechanic can handle it under an hour. A huge pain point is fitment. Shields are often custom to your vehicle model and year, especially Prius, Tacoma, and Honda Element owners, Thieves' most targeted picks, so double-check you've got the right make and year, or you'll be bending metal like a frustrated Marvel sidekick. Now, what's the real impact? Statistics show that simply having a catalytic converter shield drops your chance of theft by over 80%. Thieves are in a hurry, and any delay just sends them toward an easier car on the block. For the price, usually $150 to $400 for a solid shield, you protect yourself from a $2,000 problem, not a tough math problem. Good shields also don't rattle, block airflow, or void your factory warranty, so you're not trading one headache for another. Here's a pro tip. Some neighborhoods run shield engraving events, where they etch your VIN onto the converter to make reselling it riskier for crooks. If your city has one, go. Even with a shield, a labeled cat is twice as unappealing. People sometimes worry about shields making future muffler work a headache, but most designs now use tamper-proof bolts or brackets you can uninstall in minutes, so you're not locked into anything except, hopefully, peace of mind. If you take away one thing here, let it be this: time is the enemy of a thief. A proper catalytic converter shield doesn't make your car invincible, but it makes it the last car a thief wants to deal with. And sometimes, that's all you need.